guys. So it feels like it's been forever since I went live anywhere. I can tell you it's been like 2 weeks in my VIP group and I hate it, but life happens. So I just want to make sure we're in the right group. And then I was gonna go live last Monday, but that was when Facebook was down, so I didn't do it. So when the world shut down. Alright, just making sure where I want to be, and I am. So tonight we're going to talk about something super simple. It seems kind of silly, honestly, to talk about. Whoa, I froze up there. It seems kind of silly to talk about because it's not really a training. It's but it is, okay? So Shooting Star Kit. What is Shooting Star Kit? How do you earn Shooting Star Kit? Who can earn Shooting Star Kit? It seems silly, but I mean, this is definitely something that you all need to know. So as you joined Scentsy or you grow your team, we have what they call the fast track. You'll hear them called fast track or fast start goals. That's your Shooting Star and then the 3 levels of Sensational Start. So we're going to start with Shooting Star. Shooting Star is only available to brand new consultants, not reinstatements. Reinstatements are not eligible for this. This is for people who this is their very, very first time ever being a Scentsy consultant. It is 500 PRV in your first 15 days. Now, host flipping changes things just a little bit because when you flip a host, their day 1 is not until the party closes. So for instance, I have a party going right now for a customer of mine who wants to join. So we are going to be flipping her party. When she flips her party, she will have already earned Shooting Star because her party is almost at $1,000. So when you flip a consultant, when you flip a customer and turn them into a consultant, their first day is the day that you close the party. If you think about it, you do not see them in the workstation. You do not see them in your reporting tab because they're not technically a consultant because the party is not closed. Remember, nothing is official until the party is closed. Same thing with the host kit. So day 1 is when the party closes. Then they have 15 days from that day. If you flipped a host and they have 200, 300, 500, 1,000, if they have PRV from that party, then guess what? They have already earned Shooting Star on day 1. Shooting Star is 500, like I said, in your first 15 days. You have until midnight on your 15th day to earn it. Do you have to? No. I was going to do math and I forgot. I want to think another big thing with it is, let me look. I think it is, let me see, 500. Yes. The other thing, and that's what I was thinking, the other thing with Shooting Star is if they paid for, and most generally people don't anymore, but if they paid for their kit, if they paid the $99 for their kit, if they got Shooting Star, then they have essentially paid for their kit because 500 PRV with a 20% commission is $100, and they paid $100 for their kit, the $99 kit. So that is another thing with Shooting Star is they have officially made all of their money back because you hear of people saying you're not going to get your money back, you know, you're going to lose money. If they hit that Shooting Star goal, they will have officially made all of their money back from joining. So, I always tell my consultants, let's shoot for it. 1, because of that. Let's try to get all the money back that you paid. Again, granted, most people don't pay the $99 anymore, but it's still something to kind of think about, you know. I was going to say something and I got distracted. What was I going to say? Okay, you do not have to earn the kit, obviously. It's just a goal to work towards. Now, if we're hitting like 400, 350, something like that on day 13, 12 or 13, I'm going to ask my consultant, hey, is the Shooting Star kit something that you are interested in? And we will get into the kit in a minute. And if they say yes, because I've already talked to them about it, if they say yes, then we're going to hustle and we're going to try to get that 500. If they say no, and they're like, no, because I don't really want to pay the money for the kit, then we're not going to hustle for it. Yes, we're going to still keep working, but we don't have that like deadline of 15 days. Now, what is in the kit? What does it cost? How long do you have to order it? The kit is available for 60 days after your 15th day. So if you hit Shooting Star on day 3, your 15th day is the end of your Shooting Star period. So you have 60 days from that day. That is subject to change at any time. Sometimes in the standards it will change, but most generally that's where we're at, is 60 days from your 15th day to add that kit. The kit cannot be purchased with rewards. The kit cannot be included on a party. No half price. It's going to be $200 plus tax and shipping. And it's going to be on a party all of its own. It's going to be its own thing. You don't earn rewards or anything off of it like that. It's just its own thing, its own order. I did the math. The kit is valued at $311, but it is subject to change. You do get something from pretty much every category of our catalog. You get warmers, you get wax, you get pods, you get a wall fan, you get a diffuser, you get oils, you get Scentsy Fresh from the laundry line, you get body wash and hand soap from the body line, you get counter clean from the clean line, you get a buddy clip from the kids line, a scent pack, a scent circle. So you get something from every single category within our catalog. And that's the point of it, is because this is stuff that was not in your kit that you earned or that you purchased or whatever. It's not there. This is other stuff to help you, because this is one of those things that if you've never used a diffuser, you officially cannot sell it correctly because you don't know. You only know secondhand information. So if you've never, and it's the deluxe diffuser, the bigger one, not the fancy one, the bigger plastic one is what you get. If you've never touched one of those, looked at one of those, seen one of those, you can't officially, effectively tell somebody else how to use it if you do not know. So it's a great tool that way to kind of try a bunch of different products. Counter cleaning, in case they've never tried counter clean or a scent pack or a buddy clip. Some of us, I have kids, but some people do not have children, so they don't know what a buddy clip is, nor do they have one, even though you don't need a child to have a buddy clip. So it definitely gives people a wide range of products. Now, what you're going to get asked when you tell your consultants, like, hey, you earned it, here's what you get, this is the price, they're going to be like, what do I do with it? The options are, you either A, use all the items so that you can be versed in how they work, or add to your stock or whatever. 2, go live with it. Encourage them to go live with it with a little bits and pieces of each one. Okay, not like the whole entire kit because it's a lot, but you to bits and pieces, like on one week do warmers, one week do the bars, one week do the diffuser. It'll give them a whole bunch of things to go live with. Another option is they can sell the items, and this is a great segue for you as their sponsor to talk to them about how to properly sell their items and sell their stock without getting in trouble with compliance, meaning they cannot just go and bust it out and be like, hey, I got all these things for sale. You need to teach them the proper way on how to sell stock. So those are the 3 things that they can do with the kit. Again, this isn't super brain science or rocket science or whatever, but I do think it is a beneficial topic. And then next week we'll dive into the sensational starts. Now, I was going to look that up and I forgot. I know as a sponsor, if you have somebody who hits Shooting Star, you do get another charm, a Shooting Star trainer charm. And then I could be wrong. I want to think we get a bonus. I'm trying to think what to look it up under. Wonder if it's here. Wonder if it's in here. Because I know for some things we do get a bonus as a sponsor because we have helped train our consultant to get to that point. I just don't remember which those things are. So I'm going to see if I can look it up here really fast. But you will get a Shooting Star Trainer Award. You do get a Shooting Star ribbon for your first SFR. And some people will tell you can still go to the, what's it called? Guest services desk. Okay, so most of you, none of you, have been to SFR, so you get all these ribbons that are on your lanyard and everything like that. Sometimes things get forgotten, or you feel like you should have gotten a ribbon or something like that. So you can go to guest services, and they're going to pull you up, and you can ask for the Shooting Star Award ribbon again if you really wanted it. Sometimes they'll give it to you, sometimes they won't. Let's see. New Consultant Award. Swear there's somewhere it says it. Trying to find it, and I can't. I swear we do, but I mean, maybe we don't. I don't remember. I know that there are some things that we as sponsors do get compensated for helping our consultant get to that, but I can't for the life of me. That's how much I pay attention. Like, I will just look at my little ledger tab, and I'll have money in it, and I'll forget. I don't even know what I got it in there. Like, I think it's $25, but yes, Shooting Star Trainer Award. Earn the Shooting Star Trainer Award and get a $25 product credit when you sponsor a new team member who earns Shooting Star. So yes, on top of your consultant earning back their initial investment, if they pay the $99, your consultant being able to purchase the kit, $200 plus tax and shipping, valued at $311. You also in turn earn $25. Now, the kicker is you do not get the $25 if they do not get the kit, if I remember correctly, because they earned it, but they're not getting the award for it. If I remember correctly, it doesn't trigger in the system that they hit Shooting Star because they did not then go for that kit. So there's like but it is what it is what it is. So Shooting Star the first 15 days. Day 1 counts the very first day that they are enrolled, meaning the day they show up in your workstation, meaning the day they show up in your reporting tab, which is either the day that you close the party or the day that they officially paid the $99 to join. Those are the only two options that you can do. Again, it's only for new consultants, not reinstatements. The kit is $200 plus tax and shipping. It's available for 60 days after their 15th day. It's valued at around $311. The products in it can vary, and you can find every single product in your workstation. And if you go to workstation, if you go in the workstation and you put in the little search up at the top, and I'm doing it right now just to make sure I don't tell you wrong, if you type in Shooting Star, it will pull up. We've got spring, autumn, fall, winter, excuse me, and it will tell you exactly what is in the kit. But again, contents can vary depending on what is available and what is not available. So there should be no reason somebody is asking what's in the Shooting Star kit, because it is actually very, very easy to find in the workstation, and you can hit download, and then it'll give you a PDF that you can then send to the new consultant to let them know what is in the Shooting Star kit. Very, very simple. But yeah, I think it's highly important to try to encourage your new teammate to hit it, because it makes them feel good. I mean, $500 in 15 days, that's $100 commission. Dude, that's a lot. When a lot of people join this gig and they don't think they're going to earn anything, or they're nervous, or they're scared, or things like that. So for you to be able to be like, yo, you just earned $100 in 15 days, even if they're not going to buy the kit, that's still killer to be able to tell them that. And that's going to give them that boost of confidence. Like, okay, maybe I can do this. So definitely do not skate over that. That is also another reason you want to start their launch party on day 1, if not day before, and flip them. Because who wants to be on like day 13 and be so close? Or you didn't start their launch party until like day 10. Shooting Star does not get extended because you didn't start your launch party till later. It literally starts on day 1. Also, as of a leader, if you go into your workstation tab, because this is something that you need to keep track of also, is not just your teammates' responsibility, because they're going to be getting a whole bunch of information bombarded with them because they're just joining the welcome emails, the team page, your training. It's a lot for them to remember. So if you go to your workstation, and if you go to the reporting tab, which is the one that looks like a little clipboard, it's the third one down. Top one is home, second one is orders, the third one is reporting. If you click reporting tab and you click view my performance, which doesn't sound like that's the one you should hit, but you should hit view my report and view my performance. Then there is already saved leadership reports to the left if you're on a laptop, and one of them says Shooting Star. It's a pre-run report. It's already there. You don't have to worry about creating it or anything like that. And on it, it's going to tell you who is eligible to start to learn this. I'm not to learn this, but to get it. It's going to tell you their consultant ID. It's going to tell them their name, their title, their projected title, meaning if they hit certified before, like now, it's not their official title till pay. So it'll say their projected title, it'll say their join date, their Cincy enroll date, which is usually the exact same date, and then it says their Shooting Star date. So if their Shooting Star date is the 10th, they have until midnight on the 10th. That is their 15th day. And then it'll tell you what their PRV is up to their 15th day. So for instance, we have somebody whose 15th day was the 10th. It shows me what their PRV was as of the 15th. Now, if you're on day 10, it's going to keep increasing up into the 15th. Does that make sense? So it is up for you to go in there. You need to check what their Shooting Star is. Do not expect them to remember it, okay? Sometimes it's hard to remember what it was like when we were a new consultant, but it's a lot of information at a lot of time. So your job is to be like, hey, your Shooting Star is in 10 days. Your Shooting Star is in 5 days, something like that, and remind them, preferably before 3 days before, because you can't do much in 3 days. So very, very easy to find. Again, reporting tab, view my performance, and then on the left there is already a report pre-ran and pre-generated into your tab called Shooting Star. Click it and it will give you all of the information that you need. So I think that's it. I want you guys to know, again, it's very, very simple information, but the reporting tab can be scary to people. There may be questions as long as like how far out can I order the kit, things like that. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will upload this one to YouTube. I will upload it to our albums, and I promise I'm getting things back on track. I really, really am. So everybody have a good rest of your night. I'm going to get some work done, and I will talk to you guys later.